Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to set up parental controls on Android. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on Play Store and then tap your profile and tap Settings and tap Family and tap Parental Controls. Then toggle this on and write your PIN. Tap OK and confirm your PIN. Now guys, if we go into apps and games, we can easily prevent apps and games for 18 plus, and also we can prevent for 16 plus, 12 plus, or plus 7. For demonstration, I'll select just games and app for plus 3 and then tap got it. And now guys, we have right just for download apps and games for 3. Okay, then tap save and tap box, and you can restrict sexual explicit box. Tap this and tap got it and tap save, and that's it guys. So if we come back to Play Store, all the 18 plus games will disappear. Okay, as you can see here, we have only apps and games for 3 plus. So for example, if we go in here, we have a 3 plus and also games for plus 3. Okay, now guys, if you want to disable parental controls, very easy. Tap on your profile, go to settings, tap family, tap parental controls, and toggle it off. Write your PIN, and that's it, how you can disable parental controls. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and see you to the next video.